Amazon free code camp. You can see it. I am on this page, and you will see that hypertext. When you this is HTML. When you type this go to this. HTML is used for hackers. So if hackers and many more. So if you want to learn about HTML, so visit this website, and here's the option to block level vs inline HTML or block level versus. If we do block level to so dive 1, dive 2, dive 3, we will do like this. If we do like inline elements, this is like this. If you want to do block level, so you type div 1 and div, and another line div 2, div 3 and div, and there are results div 1, div 2 and 3. And now the second line, other side, we will see that inline elements. Inline elements are you want to have inline elements, you can write span 1, span 2, span 3, and there is block level or online elements. Two elements that represent block level and inline elements respectively are div. Here they say that two elements that represent in block level or inline elements are div and span. You will read it in this, and if you want to comment in HTML, this is the way you will comment HTML. And when you want to use HTML entitles, you will write like this. So you can use HTML entitles. If you want us to use emoji in HTML, you will type P, an emoji you want to, and the emoji name, and then P. And the next line you P, and the emoji you want to is the emoji name, and then P. Common beginner mistakes in HTML. Tags element. If you are beginner, then there is common mistakes that beginner do to the HTML. So be very careful. There is that tags element names. Tags element names are CASE, insensitive. This means that they can be written lowercase or uppercase, but it is recommended that you write everything in lowercase. Button, not button. So if you want to close tag, you will search falling to include a closing tag, or being beginner error that almost beginners do. So nesting this wrong. So please not type this tag, or your HTML will be deleted. Now this is the way you will type HTML, and this is the way. Alright, they're done. अगर आपको सारा if you want to code for reference, you will type like this. Doc type HTML lang and etc. This is about one page. So please write this in your notebook, and please read all it. And now we have to end our video. So this will not be so big. So I am ending this video.